Hello friends, welcome back with my another video. Friends, now this is a new one video all of you with Timebucks, and this video is related with advertising. Whatever you want to make and advertise with your Timebucks account, you can make a campaign with this video. So now I am going to show you that how you can advertise your YouTube videos, websites and blogs and all that with Timebucks. Friends, if you are watching my new YouTube videos, you can subscribe my channel with pressing the bell icon button, whether you will get the all notifications instantly and frequently at first. Friends, now I logged in with my account with Timebucks, where you can see this is my dashboard, and here a tab advertising. You should press on this. Just I am pressing. I pressed this and it is opening. Just be opened. Here you can see showing my advertising balance, which is $0.001. Friends, now this is my demo video that how you can make and advertise. That's why it is showing 0.001. If you want make advertising with YouTube videos, blogs, websites and so far, you can advertise here simply investing your money as a little bit. So I press the advertise here as funds, clicks and tasks. So here you can see my funds, add funds. Here press the add funds. Through this button you can add your advertising balance. See, this is minimum $20 which you can add in Timebucks account, advertising account, but it is $20 you should minimum pay for advertising balance. And through credit card, Bitcoin, Litecoin, ATM, through this you can add your advertising balance into your advertising balance. So just now press the click. See, here you can make a campaign or you can make advertise with my campaign, create campaign. So I should press the create campaigns. I pressed it, it is opening. Here you should write your title. So just I am writing watch plus clicks, internal campaign title. It should be also the same. Watch plus clicks. Here you should write something, descriptions about your watching and clicks. So I am writing watch video for 120 seconds and subscribe. And subscribe my channel. And here you should put your YouTube videos link or blogs link or website links, what you want to advertise. So just I am taking my YouTube videos URL to be pasted there. So now I pressed the manage video. It is opening my YouTube channel. See, it opened. I am taking my URL. See, here is the URL. So we should copy this. I copied it and I am going to paste here. I paste the URL. After that, which country do you want to make this advertise? So here excluded country. If you do not want to run your campaign in the following country, you can select here, or if you want to run your campaign included countries, you should leave it that means all of which are showing in this box, it should be watched or it should be clicks, or any device which you want, desktop, mobile. So I want any device, all operating system, Windows, Android, iOS, it's okay. All browsers, which browser, if you do not want to Safari, you can be clicked it, or any gender which you want, it should be male, female, or any gender. So you can leave it any gender, or here any type of users or ID verified users. This is for Timebox members, which should be ID verified, or any type of users can watch your campaign. So I am going to press ID verified users only, and here you should write, or you can leave it, this is optional, don't worry. And what you timer, you should set timer here 120 seconds, and here you can type your bid. So I am taking minimum, it is $0.002, and campaign budget, how many budget you want to be. If you have your advertising balance $5, so if you want to give your full advertising balance here to make your campaign to be clickable, all of your budget or all of your bid, so, or you can minimize or max, you can paste here minimum or maximum. So I am going to only $2. And how many you want to spend, you can limit your campaign or a specific amount of money spent per hour. How much you want to be spent. So just I give it $1. Hourly cap, that is only 0.2. Daily spend cap also you can put here, that how much amount you can put or you can expense for your advertising for your campaign as a daily spend cap. So just I give $1 daily, and here choose how often you want to allow users to perform your task. Unique 5 minutes, unique forever, unique 24 hours. Just I leave it unique forever only, where a user can click only once at a time. And here you can leave it 0. Don't worry, it's okay. And finally you should submit for approval. So this is my demo video, that's why I cannot press the submit for approval. So this was my video, which you can show that how your campaign will run, or website or blogs through the Timebucks account. Finally, this is my video. So thank you friends. I told you that how could you make a campaign with this Timebucks account or with your Timebucks account. So thank you friends. We will see you later with next video. Thank you.